How does malware get into computer? The most common way for malware to get into computer is through the internet. Malware means malicious software. Sometimes the malware is embedded in the software or the game that you download from the internet. When this program is installed, the malware gets installed simultaneously. Virus enters through infected pen drive. It will begin to work immediately when you open the pen drive or its content. Some viruses become active only till the infected application is running. Some viruses become active every time you switch on the computer. Common method for a worm to enter into the computer is through an email. The worm might attach itself to an email. The user will click it and the program will start to run. There are some malware running from web-based scripts. All the user have to visit many websites while running the internet. So when the user visits the website, the script activates itself and self-installs in the PC. The fact about computer worm and virus show that these are among the most dangerous type of malware. They can really harm and damage the computer to a great extent. Ways to prevent a virus. You should, before the computer system encounters a virus infection, following measures can be taken. Install antivirus which will detect, prevent and remove malware. It is recommended to update the computer with the latest version of antivirus. As new viruses are being detected, it scans the database of the virus, which is also called virus definitions. The database and the report related to the malware are also stored in the antivirus for records. Always back up the file. If the network has been infected, clean it first before backing up the files or attaching any external device to it. You should download from secured website and you should always scan the pen drive before use. Run a thorough scan on any attachment with email. When browsing the web, keep your antivirus scanner on. This will keep malicious script away. Please go through TechFact on page 39. Hacker. Hacker is a term used to describe a person who is a clever programmer. Hacker tries to break into your computer system to get information. Thus, hacking involves the act of becoming an expert to get into someone else's computer and get the information. Please go through recap.